In 1979, two psychologists uncovered something wild about how your brain makes decisions. Once you understand it, you'll notice it in every price tag, every countdown timer, and every limited time offer for the rest of your life. It's called loss aversion, discovered by Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky. In one study, they asked people, would you rather take $50 guaranteed or flip a coin for a chance at 100? Most people played it safe and took the guaranteed cash. Then they flipped the question. Would you rather lose $50 guaranteed or flip a coin and risk losing 100? Suddenly, almost everyone chose to gamble. Same odds, same math. But the moment the word lose entered the sentence, people's decisions completely reversed. That's because losing $50 doesn't just feel bad. Research shows it feels roughly twice as painful as gaining that same $50 feels good. Your brain isn't built to maximize gains. It's built to avoid loss. Watch how retailers use this every day. Only 2 left in stock isn't really about the product. It's about the fear of missing it. Black Friday isn't really about the discount. It's about the deadline. Once that countdown hits 0, the deal is gone forever, and your brain reacts to gone forever like an actual loss, even though you never owned it in the first place. It's also why almost every SaaS company gives you a free trial instead of a discount. That's not generosity. That's strategy. After 2 weeks of using a product, your brain starts treating it like something you already own. Canceling stops feeling like skipping a purchase. It starts feeling like losing something you already have. That one shift is worth billions in retained subscribers every year. The best closers never lead with what you'll gain. They lead with what you'll lose by waiting. This price goes up next month. We're only taking 3 more clients this quarter. That's not manipulation. It's translation. You're speaking directly to the part of the brain that actually makes the decision. So here's how you apply it. 1. Replace vague urgency with a specific loss, a real deadline, a real number, not just limited time. 2. Let people experience your product before you ask them to pay, so walking away feels like losing something, not skipping something. 3. In any pitch, lead with the cost of staying the same before you mention the benefit of changing. Loss aversion is quietly running almost every purchase decision made in this country. Follow for 1 psychology principle a day that actually moves your numbers.